How to troubleshoot issues with time trigger automations that use hours since condition in Freshdesk. Automation rules that run on time triggers in Freshdesk enable you to carry out specific actions based on time and event-based triggers. Here are a few points to remember before creating a time trigger automation. Time triggers run every hour, not immediately after a condition is met. They run only based on calendar hours and not based on business hours. They run on tickets updated within 30 days. Time constraints can only be whole hours, not days or minutes. Whenever you use any of the hours since conditions, we strongly recommend defining a time frame. Defining the upper and lower limits ensures that the condition is only valid for a ticket once. If not, the rule will execute every consecutive hour. Here are a few common reasons that can cause the hours since condition in time trigger automations to not execute as expected. Issues due to hours since and is combination in the condition section. Incorrect upper or lower limits in the condition section. Infrastructure issues or application downtime during that time frame can cause the rule to not execute. This video will show you how to troubleshoot issues caused by these common mistakes through an example automation rule. Let us consider a time trigger automation that automatically closes tickets 1 hour after they are resolved and notifies the assigned agent. You can see that the On Tickets with These Properties section has the following conditions. Match any of the below. This automation rule should run on all tickets if hours since resolved is 1 hour. Once this condition is satisfied, then set status as closed and send notification email to the assigned agent. When you define the automation rule using hours since and is conditions, the automation fires only during the brief window in which it's true. This condition is valid for an hour or less. Since time trigger automations run once every hour, it is difficult to determine the exact time this automation will trigger. If, for some reason, your automation doesn't run during that hour, then the tickets that match the condition during that hour will never be closed. Say, ticket number 123 was resolved at 10:10 a.m., and the time triggers were executed at 10:20 a.m. As per the conditions, ticket number 123 will not be closed because hours since resolved is less than 1 hour. During the next cycle, let's say the time triggers were executed at 11:20 a.m. Here again, ticket number 123 will not be closed because hours since resolved is more than 1 hour. Let's see how you can reconfigure the automation rule by introducing a time frame to avoid such issues. Navigate to Admin. Under Workflows, select Automation. Under the Time Triggers tab, click on the Automation rule to edit it. Scroll down to the On Tickets with These Properties section. Select the Match All of the Below radio button. Select Greater Than option instead of Is and enter 1. Now, click on Add New Condition. Select in Tickets if hours since resolved less than 3. The increase in the time limit to 2 hours will help to manage edge case scenarios where the rule may not run in this interval due to infrastructure issues, system downtime, application downtime. However, this also poses the risk of sending the notification email twice. Since time triggers are scheduled to run every hour, this automation will trigger twice between this interval of 2 hours. Therefore, the best practice to tackle such scenarios where you want to send an email will be to introduce a flag field along with the conditions. Here's how you can add a custom flag as a ticket field first. Navigate to Admin. Under Workflows, select Ticket Fields. Select the checkbox option from the list of fields. Under the New Checkbox section, select the Required when closing the ticket option alone under Behavior for Agents. Uncheck any option under the Behavior for Customers section. Enter a name for your flag field under the Label for Agents text box. Click on the Save Field button. Now that you have configured a custom flag, let's see how you can incorporate this into your automation rule. Navigate to your automation rule. Scroll down to the On Tickets with These Properties section and click on Add New Condition. Select in Tickets if your flag field name is not selected. Under Perform These Actions section, click on Add New Action. Select the option Set Your Flag As selected. Click on the Preview and Save option, and then Save. Introducing the flag will ensure that all the conditions are true only once and the notification email is sent only once. And that's how you troubleshoot issues with time trigger automations that use hours since condition in Freshdesk. If you need further assistance, please reach out to support@freshdesk.com.